Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to remove messenger logged in devices on Android. First thing you do is tap on your messenger and then you tap on the three lines at the top left corner over here. Then you go to the setting gear up here, scroll all the way down to password and security, tap on it again, password and security again. Then you can see where you are logged in under security checks, tap on it and then tap on it again, and now you can see all the places you are logged in. Now let's say you want to select a device to log out of, tap on this place which says select devices to log out, tap on it and then you choose the one you want to log out of. So once you've done that, let's say I want to log out of this, then you tap on log out. So once you do, say you no longer log in on the selected devices. If you want to continue, confirm by tapping on log out. It's as simple as that.